Flamingos are fascinating birds known for their distinctive appearance and behaviors. Here are some key facts about flamingos. There are 6 known species of flamingos: the greater flamingo, lesser flamingo, Chilean flamingo, Andean flamingo, James's flamingo, and American flamingo. Here are 5 interesting facts about flamingo birds. Colorful diet. Flamingos get their vibrant pink color from the carotenoids in the algae and crustaceans they eat. Filter feeding masters. Using their distinctive bills, flamingos filter small organisms from water and mud, maintaining a unique upside-down position. Social squad. These birds thrive in large colonies, engaging in synchronized behaviors like marching and head flagging to communicate. Balancing act. Standing on one leg is an energy-efficient behavior that allows flamingos to conserve energy and maintain balance. Colonial nesters. Flamingos build conical mud nests in shallow water, with both parents taking turns incubating eggs, contributing to the social structure within the colony. Flamingos are often considered symbols of elegance and grace. They are featured in various cultures, art, and literature, and their distinctive appearance makes them popular attractions in zoos and wildlife sanctuaries. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in our video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.